Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Geography with Joy. This is Subhalakshmi. Friends, today we are going to discuss about energy resources. This will be the first part where I will be giving you the basic information about energy resources. It will be a long journey and I expect you all to be my companions for an enjoyable journey. I hope you will enjoy too. Please subscribe my channel for every update and do like and share my video. Let's start our discussion today. Today's topic is energy resources and the outline of the topic is introduction to the topic, what are energy resources, their types, both conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, and advantages and disadvantages of these energy resources. And here we go. Energy resources. Energy resources of a country are a key input in economic and industrial growth and for improving the standard of living. Everything we do depends on energy. It fuels all our activities and is required practically in every aspect of our life. Energy resources of a country are a key input in economic growth, and the availability of energy resources is very closely linked to the future growth of our nation. India is the world's third largest consumer of energy resources after China and the USA. Its energy use is projected to grow at a rapid pace, supported by economic development, urbanization, improved electricity access, and an expanding manufacturing base. These resources are often classified as renewable or inexhaustible and non-renewable or exhaustible resources. In terms of widespread use in our lives today, we can also classify energy resources as conventional and non-conventional energy resources. Let's learn about them in detail now. Conventional energy resources. Conventional energy resources are those that man has traditionally and commonly used for many decades on a large commercial scale for generating power. The energy sources which cannot be compensated once these are used are termed as conventional energy sources. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Oil is the most widely used source of energy. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas account for about 90% of the world's production of commercial energy, and hydroelectric and nuclear power account for about 10%. Look at this picture. This is an oil refinery plant from industry zone. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are all derived from the fossilized remains of living organisms that existed in past geological ages. As these organic remains got buried beneath sediments and rocks or in the seabed, they decomposed over time to form deposits of coal, petroleum, and natural gas. While currently there may be large reserves of such carbon-rich fossil fuels, their supply is limited, and as they take millions of years to form, they are considered non-renewable and non-sustainable. Running water, as in rivers, is another source of conventional energy that is being used in large parts of the country. Let's learn about the advantages of conventional energy resources now. Fossil fuels are energy-rich resources that combust easily and release a good amount of energy when burned. Hence, the efficiency of the energy source is high. They are well-known source of energy. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, and running water are reliable energy resources, and the power generated from them are consistent. Production cost is low. They can be stored and used in demand. The raw fossil fuel resources can be transported easily to areas of power generation by road, rail, and waterways. Hydropower, though conventional source of energy, is renewable and hence it can sustain energy requirements for generations to come. Natural gas is a cleaner fuel than other fossil fuels and is non-corrosive because of its high methane and low carbon content. Have a look at the disadvantages of conventional energy resources. They are non-eco-friendly resources as they release huge carbon emissions that pollute the environment, leading to global warming. They are non-renewable and exhaustible sources of energy and hence not sustainable. Exploration, mining, and extraction of these resources is hazardous and an expensive process. In the process of drilling, excavating, and mining, the landscape is often scarred. They are very expensive to be maintained, stored, and transmitted. Non-conventional energy resources. Non-conventional energy resources are those which have been developed in the recent past as an alternative to the conventional sources of energy. These include solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, nuclear energy, and biogas. They are renewable, inexhaustible, non-polluting, less expensive, and easy to maintain. These resources are constantly replenished through natural processes. Advantages of non-conventional energy resources. These sources of energy are available freely and in abundance. They can be tapped at large scale at one place or in small amount at number of places at the same time, including remote and inaccessible areas like hilly terrains, deep forests, or deserts, where in fact conventional electricity generating plants may not be feasible. They are all clean energy resources that are eco-friendly, reduce carbon footprint, and do not emit greenhouse gases that pollute the environment. The energy provided by these means is less expensive. Look at this picture. These are windmills generating wind energy. The natural resources such as the sun, wind, tides, and geothermal energy are inexhaustible and hence can provide a sustainable source of energy for all time. Bioenergy is based on the recycling waste and therefore it is cost-effective source of power for rural India. It is useful as it prevents all the associated ills of tree cutting for firewood, high carbon emissions, and health problems due to direct burning. Disadvantages of non-conventional energy resources. Initial cost of setting up renewable energy plants are often quite high and require careful planning and implementation. Power plants are confined to only those areas where the resources are available. Generation of power based on the natural resources requires to be done where the resources are available. This localization of the resource, as with wind, geothermal sources or tides, doesn't allow flexibility of setting up power plants using non-conventional energy resources. Generation of solar energy is difficult on winter or cloudy days. As the resources used are based on natural phenomena, their occurrence and unpredictability make the generation of power not very reliable, consistent, and dependable. An accidental leakage in nuclear power plants could lead to severe hazardous conditions and danger to life and health. Nuclear energy generates radioactive waste. It is expensive too. Windmills disturb radio and TV broadcast and are harmful to birds. Windmills cause noise pollution too. Geothermal energy generation could involve the emission of toxic sulfides, mercury, and ammonia from hot springs and geysers that may be harmful to health. Burning fossil fuels is changing the Earth's climate, increasing global average temperatures, causing unprecedented melting of polar sea ice, and raising sea levels. Given these climate change threats, renewable energies appear to be the wave of the future. Communities will need to identify the energy resources in their areas and develop sustainable energy plans. Friends, that's all for today. I hope you have understood the concept very clearly and enjoyed my video too. It will be a long journey. In my coming videos, we will discuss about different types of conventional sources of energy like coal, petroleum, natural gas, hydropower, and nuclear energy. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thanks for watching. See you again. Till then, take care and have a good day.